Hi, I'm Patrick Pfeiffer, co-owner and president of BC Creative.
And I'm Alex Michelle, media specialist at BC Creative.
Whenever I attend any webinars, I'm always looking for those little golden nuggets of information that we can use to help our business. So with event planners in mind, we've put together this webinar series on digital marketing and web techniques to help you understand some key components in the new digital age. In this series, we will be exploring responsive websites, content management systems, Facebook advertising, SEO secrets for event planners, and implementing an effective newsletter strategy.
We'd like to thank Meeting Jobs for hosting this webinar series, and we hope you can find some golden nuggets that you can use for your event planning company. So thanks for joining us. We've set aside some time at the end of the presentation to answer all your questions. Please chat your questions throughout the webinar, and we'll get to as many as we can at the end.
This entire webinar is less than 30 minutes. So stick around, because at the end of each webinar in this series, we're going to give away a $25 iTunes gift card. We hope you enjoy our webinar series.
Hello again. In this webinar, I'll be talking about content management systems and how they can be used to manage your own meeting planner website. A content management system, or CMS, is a web application designed to make it easy for non-technical users to add, edit, and manage a website. Not only do content management systems help website users with content editing, they also take care of a lot of behind-the-scenes work. The function and use of content management systems is to store and organize files and provide version-controlled access to their data. CMS features vary widely. Simple systems showcase a handful of features, while other releases, like enterprise systems, offer more complex and powerful functions. When related to web design, there are three main content management systems that are used to build and maintain a functioning website. They are Joomla, Drupal, and WordPress. If creating a website for your business is on the horizon, you may be wondering which content management system is the best choice for you. All three are open source software, each developed and maintained by a community of thousands. Not only are all three free to download and use, but the open source format means that the platform is continuously being improved to support new internet technologies. With all of these systems, basic functions can be enhanced with an ever-expanding array of add-ons, contributed from their respective communities. So which CMS should you use for your business's website? There's no one-size-fits-all solution here. It depends on your goals, technical expertise, budget, and what you need your site to do. For a simple blog or brochure type site, WordPress could be the best choice. While it's very friendly for non-developers, it's a flexible platform also capable of very complex sites. For a complex, highly customized site requiring scalability and complex content organization, Drupal might be the best choice. For something in between that has an easier learning curve, Joomla may be the answer. When you have questions or need help, will you be able to find it easily? With all of these systems, the answer is yes. Each has passionate, dedicated developer and user communities, making it easy to find free support directly through their websites or through other online forums or even books. In addition, paid support is readily available from third-party sources such as consultants, developers, and designers. Each of these systems shows long-term sustainability and longevity. Support for them will continue to be readily available for the foreseeable future. The more time and effort you are willing and able to invest into learning a system, the more it will be able to do for you. With both WordPress and Joomla, you can order a wide range of services and options off the menu to suit your needs. With Drupal, you'll be in the kitchen cooking up what you want for yourself, with all the privileges of customization that it entails. In the following examples, I will be showing WordPress as our content management system demonstration. At BC Creative, all of our sites are built using WordPress, and we love working with the dashboard features. It was first released on May 27, 2003, so it's over 10 years old and has all of the updates and new tools that come with its lifespan. This is BC Creative's website, which is built using WordPress as the CMS platform. What we're viewing now is the front end of the website, where content can only be viewed, not edited or changed in any way. I'm now going to log into the back end or dashboard area of the website and enter into the kitchen sink, so to speak. We're now viewing the dashboard area where several features are available that allow you to change your website's content. On the left, you can see the dashboard menu allowing access to editing features. The first thing I'm going to show everyone is how to create a new page. Creating a new page is one of the things you'll be doing the most, since the main structure of your website is made up by its pages, which are filled with the content you want to display. To create a new page, click Pages, then click All Pages. This will take you to an area that shows all the pages you've already created for your website. If you have a brand new WordPress website, they'll usually have an example page here already. Here is the front end of BC Creative again, and on top is the navigation menu. The navigation menu can display the titles of the pages you create and take users to those pages when they click on them. Each of these titles can also have a drop-down menu with even more selections that lead to more pages. I'll get to drop-down menus in a moment, but they are very useful when you have multiple pages to display and limited space on your website. To create the new page, I clicked Add New and typed New Page into the title. Below is the content area of the page where you can add text and graphics. This area labeled Content is where the main information you want to display will go. We can then preview what this page will look like by pressing Preview. The title, New Page, now displays at the top along with our test content below. We can also remove this sidebar from view or add content to it. If we go back to our dashboard and select Make Dashboard Background White, that should do the trick. If we preview the page again, we can see that the side menu is now gone. If you want to add content to this area, go back to the dashboard area and uncheck the Make Dashboard Background White box, and then check Use Custom Sidebar. Then click Add Widget and select Rich Content from the menu. This will prompt your media library to appear, where you can upload photos and PDFs or select assets that you have uploaded in the past. I'm going to select a random photo and click Insert into Page. If we preview this change, you'll see the photo is now within the custom sidebar on the new page we created. If you want to remove this photo, simply go back to your dashboard area and delete the photo by backspacing. I'm now going to show how to make hyperlink text, which will allow a user to click on text and be taken to a page of our choosing. To make a certain text become hyperlinked, highlight the text with your mouse and click the link symbol. This will show an area where you can enter any URL you want to take a user to when they click on the text you highlighted. For this example, I'm going to enter www.youtube.com. I'm also going to check the box titled Open Link in a New Window /tab because people won't completely leave your site when they click on the hyperlink. They'll just be taken to a different browser. In order to test our hyperlink, we'll preview the page and click on the link we just created to YouTube. And you can see that it works. We are taken to YouTube when we click on the link. If you'd like to remove the hyperlink from the text or change the hyperlink destination, go back to the dashboard area and highlight the same text as before. Only now we want to select the broken link or remove link symbol. Now the hyperlink has been removed and the text is unlinked to YouTube. You can create as many of these hyperlinks as you want, and they can be very useful when you want to reference to another website or article. Hyperlinks can also be applied to pictures. Like the previous example, you click Add Media and select a photo in your library. We'll choose the Skype logo and preview how it looks. It's a bit large, but we can resize it and adjust its placement. So just go back to your dashboard and hover over the photo and select the little pencil symbol. This area allows you to adjust the placement, the size, and the link to a URL when someone clicks on the photo. Now we'll take a look at the photo, and it's a bit smaller and aligned right instead of left. If we want to align center, go back to the dashboard, click the pencil button, and click center. to adjust the alignment. Now our photo is aligned centered. Currently, many websites integrate with social media in some way. They might display their Facebook and Twitter feed or display social media icons that direct the user to the company's social media networks. To add social media icons, we'll select website options from the dashboard menu and then select social media and SEO. Since we have already integrated social media into our website, I'll add another icon to show an example. We currently have 8 icons integrated, and if we take a look at the front end of the website, we can see them here down at the bottom or the footer of the website. Although a feature that a programmer would have to create is the display in black and white feature and color effect when I roll over each with my mouse. To add another icon, select Add Image and select the icon you want from your media library. If you don't have the image already in your media library, you want to select Upload File to add the photo from your computer. I'll select the Skype logo from earlier for the 9th icon. In the first box, you want to type the destination URL where a user will land when they click on the icon. Remember to include the http:// in addition to the www when entering the URL, otherwise the link won't work. In the second box, we'll enter the rollover text, which appears when a user hovers their mouse over the icon. When we save options and preview our website, you'll see the newly added Skype icon at the end, as well as the rollover text, "Talk to us on Skype." You can continue adding several icons by clicking Add Social Network and repeating the process. In this next example, I'm going to show the process of changing the scrolling background on the BC Creative website. First, we'll go to All Pages so we can access the home page. Select the page titled Home, and we will then have access to the editing area of the home page. If we select the tab Header, we can see the current photo that is in place for our scrolling background. The photo here is the same as the one here. To change the photo, go back to the dashboard and click the X on the top right corner of the current background photo. Then click Add Image. Again, you may select any photo in your current library or upload any photo from your computer. For now, we'll select the Meeting Jobs logo. When we preview the changes, the Meeting Jobs logo is now scrolling in the background in place of the previous photo. However, the Meeting Jobs logo we selected was much smaller than the last photo, so you want to make sure that your photo size is correct for the space you wish to fill, this area being 460 by 2200 pixels. One of the most important and probably the most utilized features of website CMS platforms is updating the blog. Updating your blog shows your company is actively creating and thinking about new ideas related to your industry. To create a new blog post, click Blog from the dashboard menu. Posting a blog is exactly like creating a new page. You can see past blog posts here, and to create a new post, click Add New. This will take you to a blank blog post that you can title and add content to. It's best to title your blog post and include at least one keyword that encompasses the theme of your post. After you title the post, enter the main body of the blog post below, and remember that you can add photos and hyperlinks here, just as you can add them to pages. The differences between a page and a blog post is that a page is usually a fixed area of your website with content that rarely changes, if ever. Blog posts can be found within a page and are a running set of entries that can be organized by date or title. To add a photo, click Add Media, and we'll scroll down and select the BC Creative logo. To edit the placement of this photo, click the little pencil graphic and select the alignment, size, and if you wish, the link you'd like users to be taken to when they click the photo. We can then preview this blog post and see the date when it was posted as well as the titles of past blog posts. Many webmasters will take the blog post after they post it to their website and post it to their social media channels. This is a great way to get more exposure for your posts, but it's also great for search engine optimization and content sharing. If you ever find a mistake or need to edit the blog posts, you can always return to this area and fix whatever you need to. Sometimes, as web developers, people ask us, why do I need a web programmer or developer if I can make changes myself? While content management systems allow non-technical users to bridge the technical gap, there are still limitations to what you can do. The examples I showed today are simple enough to learn and are some of the basics that go along with maintaining a website. However, there is much that I did not cover that has to do with customization, complicated functionality like payment integrations, contact form customization, and overall design. Many people choose a pre-made template on WordPress to use for their website. While choosing a template that is already built may seem easier and less costly than hiring a programmer to build you a custom site that you can then manage, there are other implications that come with pre-made websites. The first of these is that websites are not one size fits all. Every business presents their information in different ways, whether they are in the same industry or not. 2 meeting planner websites may offer the same thing, but the structures of their websites are rarely the same. When you purchase a template, you are purchasing a website structure that was built without your product or service in mind. We have found that many changes must be made to templates in order to suit the client better and the way they want their site structured. Even those who want only the smallest changes don't realize that making a small change in a template's code can cause other parts of the site to break or cause error. By working with templates in the past, we have decided that we will not work with them again due to the difficulty of customizing them. We have found that it is much better to build a custom website on WordPress that can be managed by non-technical users after the initial build.
Thanks for watching our webinar. Check meetingjobs.com to see dates for our upcoming webinars and what we will be talking about in each one. We'd like to thank Meeting Jobs again for hosting this series and look forward to the next one. If you would like to contact us, please visit us at www.bc-creative.com/meetingjobs. Mention this webinar series, and we will be happy to evaluate your website, give you a free consultation, and provide you with some great tips and tricks.
Questions are now open for about 5 minutes or so. At the end, we'll announce the winner of the iTunes gift card. Enter live chat now, and we'll answer as many questions as we can. Again, thanks for attending the webinar.